Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something incredible. Look at this channel, only 26 videos but over 1 million subscribers. And their earnings? According to Social Blade, they're making 13,000 to 2 lakhs per month. That's crazy money.
Oh my God!
Their videos are getting millions of views. 150 million, 15 million, 13 million, 6 million. Even their latest videos are hitting millions of views. The competition is zero and the growth potential is huge. Now, let me show you the secret trick to make your videos go viral. I'm going to give you a method that will get your shorts 100% views. Let me show you with a quick demo.
One day a duck was returning from the market when a car hit her. The duck gets injured and falls on a roadside. Just then, a cat is coming from the market and finds the duck unconscious. The cat picks up the duck, takes her home, and treats her until she's completely fine. Later, the cat is wandering in the forest when she sees a nest. As she moves towards it, suddenly an eagle appears, catches a cat, and drops her in water. The duck sees the cat drowning, runs towards her, jumps in the water, and saves her. This is how they became best friends, by helping each other.
The first step is writing a good story, but you don't need to create it yourself. ChatGPT will do this for you. I've designed a special prompt for you. Just copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. Let me show you. When I paste the prompt, you can see ChatGPT generates a beautiful story about a duck and cat. It also creates stories about a duck and dog, duck and deer. You can use whichever story you like for your videos. If you don't like any story, just type "more prompts" and ChatGPT will generate new stories for you. If you have a story idea in your mind but don't know how to write it properly, don't worry. Let me show you a simple trick. First, write your basic story. For example, the duck and cat were good friends. One day, the duck was returning from market when a car hit her and she got injured. The cat took her home and took care of her. One day, the cat was in the woods when an eagle caught her and dropped her in water. The duck saved her from drowning. Now tell it, make this story interesting and rewrite it in 150 words. Click Generate and you can see ChatGPT creates a beautiful and interesting story. That's how story generation is complete. Now, let's move to image generation. For this, I've designed a special image prompt that you'll find in the description box. First, take your ChatGPT-generated story and ask ChatGPT to create image prompts from it. ChatGPT will not only generate image prompts, but also provide narration. Now, let's go to Leonardo AI. You'll see a prompt box at the top. Copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then, on the left side, select Phoenix from the preset options. After setting everything, click Generate. Your image will be ready in no time. Click on the image to view it. If you don't like it, adjust the settings and generate a new one. If it looks perfect, click the Download button and save it. Here's an important tip for character consistency. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your image and select Copy Seed option. Copy the seed number, then go to Advanced Settings on the left, select Use Fixed Seed, and paste the seed number. This keeps your character consistent across all scenes. Now repeat this process for all scenes. Copy image prompts from ChatGPT, paste them, don't change settings, and click Generate. You'll see the character stays consistent, only the background and scenario change. Download all the images you like. Now comes the most important step, converting images to videos. We'll use Kling AI for this. It's not completely free, but you get 166 free tokens which can generate about 10 high-quality videos. Don't skip this part because I'll also tell you an unlimited trick for Kling AI. Go to klingai.com. Upload your image and write settings below like "duck is walking." You can set duration to 5 or 10 seconds. In the model, select either Standard or Professional. Professional gives best results, but you only get 3 free trials in Professional mode. Keep other settings the same. In negative prompts, write what you want to avoid, like bad quality, blur. After setting everything, click Generate. Kling AI takes some time, but the output is impressive. Once done, click on the video and download it. You can see Kling AI generates top-notch quality videos, but it adds a watermark in the right corner. I'll show you the solution for this. Repeat this process for all your images. Upload image, describe the action, and generate. That's how video generation is complete. Now let's move to voice generation using Dub AI. Go to their website, link is in the description. You'll see a simple interface. Click Start for a 3-day free trial, then sign up for free using email or Google. Once you're in, paste your script that we generated with ChatGPT. You can explore different speakers by clicking on them. Choose the speaker you like, I'll select Adam, then click Generate Voice. Your audio will be ready in seconds. You get high-quality audio. To download, click Export at the top, select MP3 and export. The audio will download in a few seconds. For the final step, we'll edit everything together. You can use any video editing software. I'll show you using CapCut. Create a new project and add the video clips we generated with Kling AI. Then go to the Audio section, click Sound, and add the audio we generated from Dub AI. You'll notice there's a watermark on the video, but here's the solution. Zoom and adjust the frame properly to remove the watermark from all clips. Adjust it so the video feels smooth. Go to the Adjust option and set sharpness to 100. For sound effects, you don't need to go elsewhere. CapCut has everything. Click Audio, then Sound, then Effects. You'll find many sound effects here. Search for duck sound if you want duck sounds, cat sound for cat sounds, eagle sound for eagle sounds. Whatever you need, you can find here. You'll also get background music and other sound effects. Set the frame rate to 30 FPS and export your video. In just a few minutes, it will be exported and your editing work is complete. Now let's talk about the most important topic, how to make your video viral. First tip, use trending hashtags. I've researched and found trending hashtags for you. If you use these hashtags, your video will reach the right audience. When your video reaches the right audience, engagement increases. And when engagement increases, your video goes viral. But don't use too many hashtags. Use only 5 hashtags according to your content. Second viral tip, do remixes. Find trending videos in your niche and remix with them. But keep one thing in mind. Only remix videos in your own niche, otherwise you won't get views. So, if you're interested in AI and want to stay updated, you can subscribe to me. I'll see you in the next video with new AI tools. Thanks for watching.